the find function in Tableau. So the find function returns index position or start position of a substring in string, and zero if string is not found. So we have imported NFL of insert player stats dataset in Tableau using Microsoft Excel option, and we'll be using 1999 to 2013 data sheet for our visualization. So to begin the visualization, we move on to sheet number one, and we click on player dimension. Right click on player dimension and create a calculated field in which we'll be using the find function. So we'll click it on. We move on to create calculated field. We name the calculated field as player stats. So here we use if find, but the find function includes string, substring, and the start. So our string is player, and here we add Aaron as our substring here. Okay, uh, so we add Aaron here as a substring, which is greater than or equal to, which is greater than or equal to 1. Then will be then it will be matching to Aaron. Now next we write as else if find here Anthony, which is greater than equal to 1, then it will be Anthony. Else it will be unspecified. Unspecified. And we'll end the calculation here. Yeah. So the calculation is valid. Now ClearStat's dimension is created, and we drag the dimension and drop it onto rows shelf. Alright. We drag the player dimension and drop it on row shelf besides the player stats dimension. Here we drop it. Here we see Aaron, and the name of Aaron is being categorized. We see Anthony, and all other names have been specified into unspecified categories. So this is the use of find function in Tableau. We change the title of visualization as find function in Tableau. Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.